Well, my God, look at that, it's 31, can you see that? 31 degrees, man. 31 degrees, I am so hot. This is a bad idea. I've got leathers on, I'm boiling, the sun's been out, but I couldn't resist, unfortunately. Well, fortunately, because I really enjoyed that. So, what have I done? I've just been up the Raven, by the way. I tried to mount an external camera on the back of the bike, and I did succeed. But obviously it needs to plug into a camera, so I tried to mount the camera on the back of the bike, and by the time I got to Wolverhampton it had nearly fell off. So I put it in the boot and left the mic there. I don't know if it works, I'll have to see when I get home. I wanted to get the sound of the exhaust, that scproject. So no talkie on the way up, you'll be glad to know. But I've switched the cameras around because, like I say, it was literally falling off the back and I hadn't got my spanners with me, so buggered it. It is so hard to find somewhere to mount a camera on the back of this bike. I couldn't believe the GSXR was so easy. This is nigh on impossible. Everywhere I put it, just doesn't want to stay there, which is such a shame. But there you go. So we're on about our way back now from Whitchurch. It's about 8:30, I think. It's about an hour away. So we're going to have a nice gentle ride home. There's police all over the place here tonight. So yeah, I'm not going to risk anything tonight. And let's see what we see. Well, that's it really, guys. I just wanted a quick blast out in the boiling hot weather to Whitchurch bike night. Loads of people there again, some beautiful bikes. So what do you think, ZZR 1400 or H2 SX? And now this is for 2-up camping, so motor camping, motor touring, that sort of thing. So my VFR, my trusty VFR 800 does the job, it's fantastic. But what I'm thinking of is something a little bit bigger, a little bit more of a cruiser. And why not, eh? But I'm not saying I'm gonna buy one, because I do adore this bike. But what do you think about the ZZR 14 or the H2 SX? So which one of the two? Let me know in the comments if you can be bothered. If you can't, then don't. So I haven't got any plans to change this bike. I absolutely love this bike, but always looking for better things, newer things, and I did have my eye on the H2SX before I bought this, but it was just far too expensive. But maybe you can get some you know, second-hand ones, because they're a few years old now, aren't they? So maybe I can get a second-hand one for decent money. I don't know, but I think I'll keep this anyway. It comes complete, doesn't it, with all the bags, everything. This is hello. This is a ready-made jobby, isn't it? And it does me and my son absolutely brilliantly, and alternatively solo, it's just stupendous. I just wish it had that extra 20 horsepower or 30 horsepower. Would be the most perfect bike, this would, if it had that extra grunt. But it's absolutely fine as it is. I'm just used to rely on the tank sports bike, which are like ballistic missiles, that's all. And you know, it would be great just to have that extra edge on this, you know, maybe a Cat Delete, some headers and straight through, and a tune, all that kind of stuff. But I think because of the V4s, you only get, I don't know, 4 to 8 horsepower doing all that gain, but obviously a smoother throughout the rev range. So I don't know whether to leave it as it is and keep it, or, you know, do a bit of an ECU flash on it, all that kind of stuff, or do I look at getting something bigger, maybe a 1400 or a 1000? I don't know. So, but I'm not saying I'm unhappy. This is superb, this bike. As I keep saying, does everything everybody says they do and more. It's brilliant. If you look back at my previous videos of me and Max camping on it, no problem at all, man. Well, that's it. So I hope the audio of the exhaust came out alright on the way up. If it didn't, then I probably won't post this, but if it did, I hope you enjoyed that scproject V4 raw. Alright guys, and I shall see you in the next one. Alright, see you in a bit. Tidy bye, buzzy bye.